Welcome to your ultimate destination for honest gadget reviews and the latest tech updates. Here we explore must-have accessories to help you choose the perfect device. Our goal is simple, clear reviews, real opinions, and no confusion. Everything you need is right here. Are you looking for the top 5 best folding piano keyboard of 2026? You are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a review. This is your tech guide to smarter buying. Stay connected, stay updated, and stay tech smart with us. Thank you. Number 1. The Finger Ballet Portable Piano Keyboard offers a perfect balance of elegance, functionality, and portability for music enthusiasts of all levels. Designed with 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, it delivers a realistic playing experience that closely mimics an acoustic piano, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced players. Its sleek wood grain finish adds a touch of sophistication, blending seamlessly into any home or studio setup. One of its standout features is the folding design, allowing you to easily carry and store the keyboard without compromising on key quality or performance. Equipped with MIDI and Bluetooth connectivity, the Finger Ballet Piano lets you connect to learning apps, recording software, or external devices for enhanced creativity and convenience. Whether you're practicing at home, composing on the go, or performing in small settings, this electric piano adapts effortlessly to your needs. Built-in speakers, multiple tones, and user-friendly controls ensure a smooth and enjoyable playing experience. The Finger Ballet Portable Piano Keyboard is a versatile, stylish, and practical choice for modern musicians. Number 2. The Yamaha 88-key weighted portable digital piano keyboard, P45B, is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced players alike who want an authentic piano feel in a compact design. Featuring 88 fully weighted keys, it replicates the touch and response of an acoustic piano, helping users develop proper finger strength and technique. This digital piano comes equipped with high-quality built-in speakers that deliver clear, rich sound, making it perfect for both practice sessions and small performances. The included music rest provides convenience for reading sheet music, while the sustained foot switch allows for expressive playing, just like a traditional piano. With USB connectivity, the P45B easily connects to computers and music software, opening up opportunities for recording, composing, and learning through digital tools. Its sleek black finish adds a modern touch, making it a stylish addition to any home or studio. Lightweight and portable, this keyboard is ideal for musicians on the go. Overall, the Yamaha P45B offers great value, combining performance, versatility, and convenience in one reliable instrument. Number 3. The Licato Portable 88 Keys Electric Piano Keyboard is designed for musicians who need versatility, portability, and realistic performance in one compact instrument. Featuring full-size, semi-weighted velocity-sensitive keys, it delivers an authentic piano feel that responds naturally to your playing dynamics. Its innovative foldable design makes it easy to carry, store, and set up anywhere, whether you're practicing at home, traveling, or performing on the go. The elegant wood grain finish adds a touch of sophistication, while the built-in LCD screen provides clear access to settings, tones, and functions. With multiple sound options, rhythms, and a dedicated learning mode, beginners can develop their skills quickly, while experienced players can explore creative possibilities. This digital piano also includes connectivity options for headphones and external devices, making it suitable for quiet practice or recording sessions. Long-lasting battery support ensures uninterrupted performance. Combining style, functionality, and convenience, the Licato portable keyboard is an excellent choice for learners, hobbyists, and professionals alike. It offers built-in speakers, USB-MIDI compatibility, and durable construction, ensuring reliable use across different environments and musical applications every day consistently. Number 4. The Koix Foldable Piano Keyboard is an innovative solution for music enthusiasts who value portability without compromising on performance. Designed with 88 full-size semi-weighted keys, it offers a realistic playing experience that closely resembles a traditional acoustic piano. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics or an experienced player practicing on the go, this keyboard adapts to your needs with ease. Its foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to carry and store, fitting neatly into backpacks or travel bags. The built-in Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless pairing with mobile apps and devices, expanding your learning and creative possibilities. Additionally, the keyboard includes a sturdy sheet music stand, ensuring comfortable practice sessions wherever you are. With multiple sound options and responsive touch sensitivity, the KONIX keyboard provides versatility across different musical styles. Its rechargeable battery ensures hours of uninterrupted playtime, making it perfect for travel, outdoor sessions, or home use. Overall, it's a reliable, compact, and feature-rich instrument for modern musicians. Number 5. The AI Joy 88-key piano keyboard is a versatile and portable solution for musicians of all levels. Designed with semi-weighted keys, it offers a realistic playing experience that closely mimics an acoustic piano, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced players. Its full-sized 88-key layout ensures proper technique development while delivering expressive performance. This folding keyboard stands out for its portability, allowing users to easily carry and store it without sacrificing functionality. It features 128 tones and multiple rhythm options, enabling players to explore a wide range of musical styles. Built-in speakers provide clear sound output, while the USB-MIDI connectivity makes it simple to connect with computers or music software for recording and learning. The package includes essential accessories such as a sustained pedal sturdy stand and a convenient carry bag, making it a complete setup right out of the box. Whether you're practicing at home, performing on the go, or composing digitally, the AI Joy keyboard delivers flexibility, quality, and convenience in one compact instrument.